If you have an estate plan or you are looking at putting together an estate plan, the best tip that I can give you is to keep open communication within your family. Where I see things go really wrong after someone has passed away is where information was not shared with the families involved, and that turns into unrest with the family. Families get upset. There's fighting. Nobody knows what's going on. Somebody thinks that somebody's trying to take assets. When you are creating your estate plan, it's important to have that open communication. One of the ways to do this is to have a family meeting, whether it's a family meeting that you have within the family itself or maybe one with your attorney. And this is where working with an estate planning professional is really important, because the attorney can actually explain in layman terms what the estate plan looks like. Right? Because sometimes it's that people are just so scared about talking about this topic that they think that people are out to get them, that they think that people are out to take the assets that they think that they are deserving of. Whereas if you have open communication, and again, whether it's with an attorney or a family meeting with the family itself, you're having those conversations. It also allows them to ask questions, right? Because otherwise they're waiting until somebody has passed away or somebody is very sick. And there's a lot of emotion and stress that's involved in that situation. And if you can have these conversations early on, it allows that communication on both sides, that maybe they just wanted to ask some questions. Maybe they just needed to get clarification on what this meant. Maybe two different sides are interpreting what you're saying differently, and this allows there to be really explained very clearly. So a few tips for having open conversations about your estate plan. It's really how much you want to share. I recommend that you have all of the family together that's going to be involved, because if you're doing it in different parts, then some family members may feel like they're being shut out, right? And if you're doing this with the intention of being open in your communication, this will allow everybody to hear everything all at once, right? So it's not different parts of the family that are hearing specific things that are catered to them. It's everybody hearing it all at once. Allowing that open communication, the questions that are going to come up, the conversations between different parties is going to hopefully allow this to be a less stressful situation when some type of incapacitating event actually happens or someone passes away.